Hello and very warm welcome to RAF Limbs. This is Farooq Hussain. In this hands-on video tutorial, we will continue the use of ChatGPT in the profession of librarianship, and we will try to use it along with dalL AI and the Bing AI. So let's start this video. We need to open our web browser. Let me open my web browser, and there you can see we need to visit this website. It's a platform.openai.com/app, so you can redirect some common apps of OpenAI. OpenAI is the company, and there we can see it's ChatGPT, dalL and the API, so you can interact with OpenAI models into your applications or business, so you can create your chatbot at your own or the apps at your own. Okay, so let's start this video, and we need to open the chat gpt, which was that was already open here. So you can see this is chat gpt 3.5, and this one is gpt4. So to have the GPT-4, you need to subscribe for $20 per month, and it has a number of features, and it is quite bigger than the free version. So if you have money, you can subscribe this. Okay, and I am here to going. I mean, I'm going to use the free version here, and then on the other hand, we have dalL. dalL is actually to it's Dolly or dalL. So to create the images, or you can upload an image to edit, but the editing is not so good with the dalL. On the other hand, we have Bing AI. Bing is actually a Microsoft product, and that's actually work well with the Microsoft Edge. I mean, which is a web browser. So there you can see the Microsoft Bing, and this one is actually the image creator. It's used dalL E3, and similar we have the Bing here, which is actually powered. Also powered by ChatGPT4. Okay, so it can give you more creative response, it can give you more balanced response, and the more precise response. Also, you can search the information on Bing, but and you can use the microphone as well, and you can upload an image here, and these features are not available with the ChatGPT 3.5. Okay, so uh, uh, and one more thing, when you first time log in, it will show you some message like this. So these are the tips for getting a start. Ask away. ChatGPT can answer questions, help you learn, write code, brainstorm together, and much more. So you do not share sensitive information. ChatGPT may be reviewed or used to improve our services. Learn more about your choices in our help center. Check your facts chat while we have safeguards. ChatGPT may give you inaccurate information. It's not intended to give advice. So remember, do not share your sensitive information. Do not share your findings of a research, and do not share something which is actually a personal information or something like that. So, and especially in research, you need to remember it's not actually a fact checking tool, so the information might be incorrect. I mean, there's a huge chance, as you have seen this. I mean, the instruction, and also mention here, if you can see this free research preview, ChatGPT may produce inaccurate information about people, places, and facts. Okay, this is the ChatGPT September 25th version. So now let us start. I have written few questions to save time. So this one is actually said, "Hello, my name is Farooq Hussain and I'm a librarian. I'm recording a video for my YouTube channel titled The Use of AI and ChatGPT in the Profession of Librarianship." So let's see what response we will receive from the ChatGPT 3.5. So there's a response. You can read this. It say, "Hello, Farooq Hussain. It's great to meet you. Uh, your YouTube videos sound like an interesting topic, and I would be happy to help you with any information or anything." So you can read this. So there's a welcome message, and we can write something. Okay, we can ask a question here. How this platform, I hope you can see this. If I need to bigger the size. Okay, how this platform can help in the profession. Okay, I just intentionally write a wrong email. I mean, wrong spelling. So you can see the response, and it has tell us 13 use of ChatGPT in the librarianship. But what I focus here, I wrote the wrong spelling here, but it has taken the correct spelling here. So how? This is because of natural language processing. So computer understand, I mean, this chatbot or open AI or the AI, in fact, AI understand what I am going to ask. So you can see there's a response, information retrieval and research assistant. You can get the help for 24/7, accessibility and the catalog management, recommendation system, language support, virtual tours, accessibility service, content creation, chatbot for user queries, data analysis, preservation and digitization, metadata enhancement, and the number of things available. So the next question that I would like to ask is to create a proposal, a request for proposal, RFP, to implement Koha library system in my library. And we are using an institutional repository which is outdated. Uh, uh, Not this one, which is outdated. Uh, Only for issue written of books, mention Koha features and the zero cost element. So let me copy this question and let me write here. Now let's see. Creating. So it has done. So you can see this. Certainly, here's a request for proposal to implement Koha library system in your library, your name, your position, and there you can see this is actually a request for proposal. Implementation of Koha library system. I'm writing to request a proposal, so you can take help with the chat GPT, and there's a number of features mentioned here. and you can modify this according to your need. Actually, you can copy this from this button, and you can like or dislike the response, and can paste here. Then you can work according to your need. And in fact, if you don't like this, so you can regenerate this. And now let us start new chat. And here I just ask to write an email to my supervisor to promote me from assistant librarian to librarian. I have been working for 10 years and providing 100% effective library services with a zero complaint rate. So you can write, if you need help to write an application, so you can get the application here. I'm just trying to educate you, or just to demonstrate you how you can use this platform for your personal assistance, or in your daily life. Okay, request for promotion from assistant librarian. So dear supervisor, name, and hope, I hope this email finds you well, and you can see it has well crafted. And you can modify this according to your need, and then you can recheck with the chat gpt. For example, you have modified this and you just submit here, and you can say, you can please check this, so it will check the application. Okay, let us try to have the ddc number. Maybe it can provide the ddc number, or maybe it will direct us for some other things. There you can see we have asked what will be the DDC number of a book titled Educational Leadership in Pakistan. So there is a response, and you can see it has explained each and everything, where the main classes of education, typically 370, book related to educational leadership and the administration, are often classified under 371.2, that's decimal, and this is the number, or even you can use this number. So you can copy this number. I mean, this is to easy your life, but I actually don't recommend to use this for ddc. If you have ddc scheme, go ahead, use that scheme, but this is actually to easy your life. In some libraries we do not have access for ddc or lc, so you can use this anyhow. uh, okay, so I just ask this chat gpt, can you provide the cip cataloging in publication of an ISBN number? Let's see. This is just to inquire. I cannot provide the exact commercially important person information. Okay. For an ISBN book. So it has actually wrong interpret. Let me correct by what I mean with CIP. CIP is publication. So it has confused. Let's say I apologize for any confusion in my previous response. Okay. Cataloging and publication data is typically provided by the national libraries. All library cataloging agencies to help publishers and libraries catalog books before they are published. Okay, so in nutshell, it cannot provide the CIP. Okay, uh, so we can write an article, if you can say this, in a narrative style featuring the poor conditions of public libraries in Karachi. Let us see an article. Or you can write a story as well. Now let us read the article. This is in the bustling heart of Karachi, where the uh, so it's actually a tale. Please write in easy English. Okay, now you can see. Okay. Can you, or in fact we can write in Urdu, क्या आप उर्दू में ट्रांसलेट करते हैं? I wrote, can you translate in Urdu? Please translate the article or write the article in Urdu. Now you can see it's writing in Urdu. Similar, you can have the number of things. I mean, in fact, if you are not continue generating, if you are not familiar with English, so you can write in your local language. In fact, you can write in Roman, write an article in English as well, to write an application. So you can see it has written the Urdu article. The Karachi ke shor sharabe and okay, now see, I have already talked about the Urdu, and here we have what will be the LC subject headings for the title Educational Leadership in Pakistan. So let's see, LC is actually control vocabulary. So maybe we can get some relevant suggestions. So let me copy here a new chat and let's see. Okay, now you can see Library of Congress subject heading are specific term and phrases used categorize and index material in library To determine the LC subject heading for a specific subject topics like educational leadership in Pakistan, you can use a combination of journal subject headings and more specific terms related to topics. Here are some possible LC subject headings for the topic. Yes, oh my god. So we have some suggestions here that you can see and you can use in your catalog. Okay, move forward, and we will also try the same questions with the Bing. So keep watching, don't leave anywhere. So show me how to install Koha library system on Ubuntu command by command. Oh my god. Okay, let's see. In a new chat, actually I am using a new chat so we cannot confuse with the answers. So copy here, not this one, we have already discussed this, and this one. Show me how to install Koha library system on Ubuntu command by command. So let's see what suggestions we will receive. Oh, this is a common problem with actually ChatGPT 3.5. It's normally busy, uh, and then we have to wait sometime. Now you will see. Okay, so we have regenerated this and it has promptly available. So there we can see. Update and upgrade. So this is correct, and you can copy the code here and install required packages. So you can install required packages. Okay. Install additional packages. Install Koha. And this one is for 21.11, so you can update this. Currently we have 23.05. Well, these suggestions are quite good, but for demonstration, for video guidance, please watch my channel. And my instructions are quite easy than this. Okay, now can you write a brief sample guide on library rules and regulations? This is another question and another important thing that we are searching in a library. Okay, so avoid new chat and just ask here. Let me show you how it's looked in a light theme. So you can see these are the headings. Certainly, here is a brief sample guide on library rules and regulations. So you can create a library guide like this. Okay. And what else you need? What is the difference between RDA and ACR2? So you can learn in your free time. So you can see RDA resource description and access and AACR2 Anglo-American cataloging rules 2 second edition are both set of guidelines used in the field of library and information science for cataloging and describing bibliographic resources. So there's a different, so you can see in a structure and in philosophy, content, resource type, relationship, authority control, and the internationalization. So. Okay. Another thing, uh, uh, make a post for an upcoming video on my YouTube channel entitled AI and ChatGPT in the profession of librarianship. So for Facebook, I will add here. Start a new chat. And now let's see. Citing news. Too long actually. Number of words available here. See. Hey there, follow bookworms and tech enthusiasts. Okay, get ready. Okay, it's too long. Well, you can shorten this like, and you can say avoid emojis. I have miswritten the wrong spelling here, but let's see what response it is. Ah, it has not understand. Avoid emojis. Still not getting my point. Okay, anyhow, this has happened. Sometime you uh, okay, please remove emojis in the text and just a brief and make a brief post for social media. Now you get the point. So you can copy this and you can paste on your social media, or in fact you can use this with emojis. It's quite interesting. Okay, the next thing is that we want to do, and we can use this for DALI and Bing. Okay, let us try. So this is actually write a prompt for a picture featuring mind on books and library promotion. So let us talk with ChatGPT. And that prompt we actually try with the Bing image generator. This is not a prompt actually. Okay. So Let us see what happened with the dalL. So dalL has made these pictures with this prompt. Uh, this one. This is not the prompt. Please make a prompt. Maybe I'm prompt for AI image generator. Uh-huh. Okay, featuring mind on in the prompt. Okay, now see. This is something right. And let us copy. Instead, we use dalL. We need to use dalL3 with the Bing, and it's quite effective. A ball of soup that's look like whatever. See, now there's something better. You can use any of the image. For example, this one. This is quite good, and you can save this. And this one is also good. Okay. Okay, you can say Larry in heaven. Okay, your task failed. Sorry about that. Please try again. It's might be busy actually, so that's why we are facing this types of issue. A number of people using around the world, that's why it's got busy. So this is right now it's busy. So you can see what actually I have generated already. And these are actually the images which I have generated. They're not real images. See? And there you can see my history and what I have generated. And in fact, you can see the history here. Okay, it has modified the pictures. Okay. Okay, now after this, I would like to go to the Bing. And yes, we have also written something here. So, a young smart librarians on ship of books called librarianship. Okay. So try with Bing image generator. The image creator of Bing. Here we have What it say? Boost. So I have 98 boost. So it's creating. You did it. Okay. What I did. And it say your generations are not unsafe image content detected. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay, these are suggestions, and where's my work? Okay. Okay, let's type again. I don't know what's wrong. Create. Okay, it has block. I don't know why. Okay. Now it has created. I don't know where it feel. See, now this is what actually the Bing image generator. Librarianship. Okay. So you can use this image, you can download or you can use it, and it's copyright free. So there's no harm to use it. And this one also. And you can say it's a librarianship. Okay. Anyhow, and you can generate images like similar like here. For example, uh, library in heaven having big books and and readers. And okay, let's try this. Now see, this could be a library in heaven. I'm sorry to use this, but this is just to train you. Okay. So similar, you can write any prompt, and there are number of suggestions available, and can actually check the where's this. Okay, not the Bing preview. I don't know why it's blocked this. What is wrong here? Anyways. Okay, so you need to log in here, and similar we try Bing, and we ask few questions to Bing, like we have asked to ChatGPT. Okay, ask anything, so let us ask. Okay, the Bing was busy, so now it has started, and responses. So there you will see the response, and this response is based on uh, GPT-4. I mean ChatGPT4, and there you will see it's providing you the references. See, and also learn from authentic information. See, hello Farooq Hussain. It's great to hear that you are exploring use of AI in the profession of librarianship. AI has the potential to transform the way libraries operate and provide services to their patrons. I found few resources that might be helpful for your video. So here's a paper, so you can get the reference of this. It has published in Library High Tech News. Another paper it has published in somewhere ACRL. Okay, and the IFLA link. So here we get three references to read further on this topic. So this is actually the difference between the Chat GPT and Bing. Okay. And let me ask another question. Could you please just modify this? Write now see, we have requested to write a request for proposal. So it's actually remember my name. Okay. And further responses, so you can get the responses. Okay. Now you can copy this. Oh, and another thing, so let us try a few more things here. Let us ask जी हाँ मैं उर्दू में बात कर सकता हूँ ओके we ask can you talk in Urdu, it say yes I can talk in Urdu. Okay. And just provide the topic. please write an article in Urdu in a narrative style. So there you can see it's providing you references as well. Not the references, but to read more about the similar. And there you can see you can get the reference. See this one reference, reference 2. So it's not writing at their own, but it's providing you references. But this is not so enough to have an article. See, like this is not an article. Please expand it. So let us try to expand it. It's give you again the same thing. Okay. Anyways. Okay. Let me check for DDC number. Bing is actually a search engine, so it's more giving you the references and link, so you can find the more references, more link, and you can expand your learning as well. Okay, it's just give us the base number. Okay, anyways, so and let us create one more picture, one prompt with ChatGPT, and let's try this prompt with the Bing. See, this is amazing. Huh? When you use prompt, what prompt we have created with the chat gpt, and we are using here to create a picture about an AI generated pictures that beautifully capture the concepts of mind on books illustrated, the scene where the power of literature and knowledge engrosses the human mind. So this is what we can use in our post, we can use in our social media account and the daily lives, and in fact in our office life as well. Okay, we can download this, and they're not actually copyright. So I will use this picture, not this one, the first one. Okay. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. We have used the chat gpt, and we have used the dalL. dalL is not so good, but yes, you can use it, and with prompt you can use it. And we have also used the Bing AI with ChatGPT4, and we have also tried the Bing image creator. So in the profession of librarianship. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. This is Farooq Hossain. Keep watching RAF Limbs. Thank you, and you can write your experience in the comments section of this video. Thank you.